Welcome to our channel. If you're curious about how plant-based foods can heal your nerves and protect them from damage, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore a variety of natural foods packed with nutrients that support your nervous system. Let's begin with leafy greens, like spinach and kale. These are rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and protect nerve cells from damage. Next up, we have nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are full of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports nerve health and helps maintain healthy cell membranes. This vitamin is crucial in protecting against oxidative stress, which can damage nerves. Avocados are another excellent choice. Filled with oleic acid and potassium, they not only promote healthy blood flow, but also support brain function and nerve protection. Berries, including blueberries and strawberries, are small but mighty. They contain anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against nerve damage. They're also incredibly versatile, making it easy to add them to your diet. Let's talk about beans and lentils. These are fantastic sources of B vitamins, particularly folate and B6, that play a key role in maintaining the health of your nervous system. Don't forget about turmeric with its active compound, curcumin. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can protect and repair nerves. Adding it to your diet can be as simple as a sprinkle over your meals or a warm, soothing drink. Now let's move to dark chocolate. In moderate amounts, it offers flavonoids that support brain and nerve health while also providing a mood boost. Finally, incorporate whole grains such as oats and brown rice, which are rich in fiber and promote a steady release of energy, essential for optimal nerve function. We hope you find this information helpful and inspiring. Remember, a plant-based diet not only nourishes your body, but also fortifies your nervous system. We hope you find this information helpful and inspiring. Remember, a plant-based diet not only nourishes your body, but also fortifies your nervous system. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and insights.